You upload a data set, millions of rows, sales, customer feedback, market trends. You ask a simple question: what's driving the drop in revenue? Within seconds, the AI responds. With charts, insights, and suggestions, it found the answer. Segmented by age, region, product type. It even recommends a fix. No human cleaned the data. No one wrote code. The machine just knew. Welcome to the world where AI is starting to do the work of data scientists. But is it replacing them, or is something deeper and more dangerous happening? What data scientists actually do? A good data scientist isn't just a number cruncher. They're detectives. They ask the right questions, frame the problem, clean messy data, choose the right model, interpret the results, translate numbers into decisions. It's not just about prediction. It's about understanding. And that takes more than math. It takes context, judgment, curiosity. So how much of that can AI actually replicate? What AI can already do? More than most people think. Modern tools like AutoML, GPT-4, and Data Robot can already clean and format datasets, run regressions and build classifiers, tune hyperparameters, generate visualizations, summarize key trends, even suggest business actions based on results. They do it in minutes. No need for code, degrees, or experience. And they keep improving. What used to take days of manual labor can now happen in seconds. So where does that leave the data scientist? The illusion of replacement. At first glance, it seems clear. AI is doing the job. Faster, cheaper, at scale. But pause. These tools work well when the problem is clear, when the data is clean, when the goal is narrow. In real business scenarios, none of that is guaranteed. A real-world data set is messy, incomplete, contradictory. The right question isn't obvious. The business context is complex. The cost of a wrong answer is high. AI can generate output, but it can't yet guarantee insight. And insight, real, actionable understanding, is what separates automation from intelligence. When AI fails quietly, here's the danger. I won't tell you when it's unsure. It won't raise its hand when the data is biased. It won't warn you that your question doesn't make sense. It just answers, confidently, instantly. And if no human is there to challenge the logic, to validate the assumptions, to interpret the implications, bad decisions happen, quietly, at scale, because automation without oversight isn't just risky, it's invisible risk. The real shift from builder to thinker. AI is changing the game, but not by replacing data scientists. It's replacing the mechanical parts of the job. The repetitive coding, the routine modeling, the basic visualizations. That means the value of the human shifts, from builder to thinker, from technician to strategist. The best data scientists of the future won't be the best coders. They'll be the best question askers, the best explainers, the best integrators of human goals and machine capability. The ones who know when to trust the AI and when to dig deeper. Democratization or dilution. Some say this is a good thing. Now anyone can analyze data. No gatekeepers, no specialists. But there's a catch. Just because a tool is easy to use doesn't mean it's being used correctly. Auto-analysis can lead to overconfidence, bad conclusions with beautiful graphs, misinterpretations backed by machine-generated authority. The danger isn't that we'll have too few data scientists, it's that we'll have millions of people who think they are data scientists because the tool said so. A new divide. As AI levels the playing field technically, a new divide opens. Those who use AI as a tool, and those who let it think for them. Because while anyone can run an analysis, not everyone can spot a flawed data set, ask a better question, or understand the ethical risk in automating decisions that affect real lives. The future isn't about who can code. It's about who can think critically in an AI-powered world. Ethical implications. When AI drives decisions, who's responsible? If a model recommends firing workers, denying loans, or changing healthcare plans, who takes the blame? The model, the engineer, the company? Data scientists were once the buffer, translating numbers into strategy, flagging problems, challenging assumptions. Remove them, and you remove the last layer of human accountability. That's more than dangerous. It's systemic fragility. What can't be replaced? Let's be clear. AI can simulate understanding. It can mimic logic. It can produce impressive output. But it doesn't know what it's doing. It doesn't care about the real-world impact. It doesn't wrestle with ambiguity. It doesn't notice when the data contradicts the lived experience. A good data scientist connects numbers to nuance, knows when to break the model and when to trust instinct over output, and that part is still uniquely human for now. Final reflection. Will AI replace data scientists? Not exactly. It will replace some. The ones who only followed instructions, who ran scripts without insight, who saw data as math, not meaning. But it will empower the others, those who think holistically, who ask why, not just how, who see data as a window into human behavior, not just a spreadsheet. In the end, the question isn't whether AI can do the job. It's whether we've redefined the job well enough to know what only humans should do. Because when machines can do almost everything, human judgment becomes the rarest skill of all. Subscribe to AI Unfolded for deeper insights into how AI is transforming the world, one decision at a time. Do you think data scientists will survive the age of automation? Share your thoughts in the comments.